beautifuls, every time we try to make this chicky na, it gets chewy sometimes, it does not get proper binding, or maybe you don't get the proper crunch or taste. So here I have a beautiful secret. Let's start.
Hey beautiful, this is Manisha and you are watching Simplifier Cooking. So today's our amazing recipe is peanut chicky. Let's start.
So before jumping to the recipe, one kind request to follow the details and the measurements of the ingredients. So we will start this recipe with 1 cup of groundnut or peanuts, and you have to roast them on lowest flame. If you keep the flame on medium or high, you get the spots and you will not get the proper crunch of the peanuts. So you have to keep the flame on lowest. It will take a little more time, but your peanuts will be very crunchy and very crispy. So keep that in mind that you have to keep the flame on lowest. On the other side, we have many other ways to check the peanuts are well roasted or not. So first you can check it by the skin of the peanut. That if you feel the cracks in the skin, that means the peanuts are getting roasted. And also you will see the peanuts slightly red in color. Look at the difference between before and after. So our peanuts are roasted very well and you can see the skin is getting out very easily. Turn off the flame and just place a very clean cloth on the kitchen countertop. A cloth should be very clean and a bit rough, so that the skin of the peanuts can be removed very easily, and you just have to rub like this. Look at this. This is the way you just have to rub it like this, and it's very easy. If you are using this cloth, there are so many benefits of using this cloth. This method is a bit faster and you will not get any kind of mess on your countertop. Maybe this method was trending before some time, but my mother is using this since so many years. So here we have removed all the skins of the peanuts and now it's time to separate them. And for that we just need a jhara and a plate. Jhara is basically a spoon to fry something in Bharat. You just need to sieve it like this for once or twice and you will get the separated peanuts. The first mistake here we usually do is we grind the peanuts in a mixer grinder jar. You just don't have to do that. You just have to take a bowl and break the peanut like this. You will get the perfect textured peanut chicky by this way. Our first task has completed here and just keep them all aside. Now the real challenge has come to face. It's time to make a syrup by this jaggery. Jaggery also will take 1 cup. And you just have to keep the flame on low to medium. Roast it like peanuts first. Okay, then after some time you will get this type of consistency of the jaggery. You can take any kind of jaggery you want. You just have to focus on the syrup making. Just melt 1 cup of jaggery first and keep melting it all over. And once it melts well, drop it with a spoon and see. If the stream of syrup is not breaking, it means the jaggery syrup is ready. But if it is breaking, it means you have to cook it for little more. Again, keeping the flame is on low is the key. And yeah, don't leave it even on low flame, keep stirring it. It's been almost 8 to 10 minutes here and you just have to keep stirring it. Now we'll add cardamom powder around 1/4 teaspoon. Now it's time to show you another way to check the syrup. If your jaggery is cooked perfectly, you will get the perfect results. So first you have to take a bowl of water, pour some jaggery syrup into it and just check if it is breaking properly with crunch. Your syrup is ready. And if it is chewy, you have to cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Add amazing and secret ingredient to make it crunchy and crispy. It's baking soda. Just 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it very well and add the roasted peanuts. Baking soda will give amazing light and fluffy texture to your peanut chicky. Mix it very well. Once it gets done, you just have to spread it over the countertop. I have greased my kitchen countertop and simply I am going to roll it over the countertop. If you want, you can use any board also. If you are making something, you are creating something, and to create something beautiful, you have to enjoy it. And to enjoy this, you have to grease your hands too and just dab it like this to give it a beautiful round shape. and then after you have to roll it over. While rolling this, you will get the cracks sometimes. Likewise, the challenges in the life, you just have to quick fix them and go ahead. So look at the beautiful round shape. So you will get amazing thin and beautiful round shaped chicky palette here. Keep repairing the cracks meanwhile with your hands like this and roll it again. One more important thing you have to keep in mind while this entire process should be completed within 3 to 4 minutes of it being taken off the gas. Otherwise it will get too hard to roll it. And now finally it's time to give them a cut marks so that you will get the even and beautiful pieces later. Now let it cool down perfectly and you just have to wait it for 10 to 12 minutes, not more than that. I know you can't, but you have to. After 10 minutes, look at how beautifully it is come out and how easily it is coming out and how beautiful the pieces are, aren't they? You can see the beautiful crunch here. You can feel the texture, but if you want to try it, trust me, do try it. You gonna love the recipe. And after trying this, if you love the recipe, please do like the recipe video. Please do share this video to your friends and family and do subscribe my channel if you are new here. I am signing off to meet you very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself and bye-bye.